Hey y'all, if you want to make a cute, quick, and easy spread to keep up with your Christmas plans, then this is the video for you. Welcome back everyone, and if you're new here, welcome for the first time. My name is Ashley and I own a hand-drawn stationery shop called I Have Plans For You. Today we're going to do a quick and easy one-page Christmas planner spread, and I know we're used to seeing those larger spreads that have multiple pages, but I don't typically use more than one page. So I have a few supplies here. I have the stickers from my Glimmer and Grin collection, which is still available on the site, and I'll link it below. And I'm also going to use the markers that are included in the Christmas lettering kit for the Glimmer and Grin collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. There are a few of those Christmas kits available. I think maybe just 2 or 3, so I'll link that below too. But what you see me doing here is going ahead and kind of mapping out where I wanted to write the word Christmas. And now I'm using my kind of basic brush lettering style and lettering out the word Christmas with this kind of teal color Tombow marker. It gets a bit tricky right there in the crease. I'm using my Hobonichi Techo Weeks that I just started this year. Well, I just started in November, and I have a few videos on it, so I'll link those below too in case you're interested to see which one I picked. But I'm just going through and lettering in my basic style, and this is a really pretty color, and I like this color palette. I chose the color palette before I started drawing because I knew I wanted kind of like unconventional colors that were really bright. And these teals, there's a yellow, a pink, and then the traditional red and green in this Glimmer and Grin set. And I just thought they were really, really pretty, happy, merry, and bright colors. So now I'm going to go in and write plans with the bullet tip of that red Tombow marker. And I'm doing this kind of like in a monoline style, but the same kind of handwriting or the same kind of script that I use for my brush lettering. I'm just not doing thick downstrokes. I'm using a monoline one weight style here. And you see I added a few flourishes on the end to just give it a little bit of flair there. But I'm going to go in with this kind of dark green color with the brush tip, and I'm going to start making my boxes. So I have some kind of pencil marks that you might be able to see to help guide where I wanted these boxes to be, because I didn't want to make a mistake in my Hobonichi with Tombow markers. But you see me going ahead and just turning the page as I need to and drawing in this box and using the guides in the Hobonichi as a reference. And you'll notice that I'm leaving some spaces where I believe I want to put stickers, where I guess I'm going to have to put the stickers because this is in marker. But I kind of pre-planned where I wanted this spread to lay so that I can put stickers, because I know I said that I wasn't going to use a lot of stickers in my Hobonichi, but that's really more for the weekly spreads. And since this is my first Hobonichi, I'm thinking that I'm probably going to change my mind at some point, and of course you all will be along the ride with me, because I already can think of ways that I would want to use these stickers. These are some of my favorite stickers that I've drawn this year. So of course I want to use them, and I'll probably use them multiple times. But I'm going through and I'm using different colors. I love colorful spreads. But I do also have a black Sakura fine liner just in case I want to go in and add, some black somewhere to kind of tighten things up. So now I'm going in. I have the deco stickers from the Glimmer and Grin collection plus the quotes. And I'm just going in and filling in those spaces that are empty and kind of look like a sticker goes there. I was looking at the tree at first, but I'm not sure which tree I want to use, and I want to get more stickers on the page before I pick one. So I'm using the quote, "Silent Night, Please," and one of the gift boxes with the wine glass on top. And I think I'm liking this tree that's on the left of that sticker with those two color choices that I've used for the other stickers. So I'm gonna get that down. And then I knew when I started this spread that I wanted to use these kind of light bulbs at the top of the spread, and I'll probably end up having to cut them, but I'm gonna try to use as much of it as this string as possible. And I also wanted to mention here that I will be providing this spread as a printable for all of my patrons at all tiers this month. And I'll have the link to Patreon linked below, so check it out if you're into planning, drawing, and hand lettering. And now I'm going to look back and see what other stickers I want to use. I was thinking maybe I could use this whole set, but it's looking like I might not be able to. I did want to use these kind of champagne glasses with the champagne bottle. So I'm going to move the Silent Night Please sticker over, and I am so happy that I was able to pull it off of this page. This is my first time pulling a sticker off of a Hobonichi page. So just in case you're wondering, my stickers come up easily. They lay down good and they come up easily off of Hobonichi pages. But I'm just adding that in that other corner to balance everything out. And I think it looks good so far. So I'm going to go ahead and use alternating colors and kind of write what I'm using each box for. So in this green box, I'm going to use it as my gift list. And so you can see I only have 4 boxes here. I'm not one of those people who does like the one spread for each of the things that I plan for Christmas. This one big spread is enough for me. In the pink box, I'm going to do my holiday parties, and we have quite a few this year, but I just list them out by date and then put the party name beside it. In the yellow box, I'm going to write our traditions, and these are kind of like our family traditions that I just want to make sure I don't miss any of, and we just mark them off as we do them. And then in this teal box, I'm going to write the dinner menu for actual Christmas Day. So sometimes we host Christmas parties, but I don't think we're going to do that this year. Not in the sense that I'm going to use this spread for. So we have a few things we're doing for our little girls. We have a 5-year-old and a 9-year-old, and so we like to get them involved. And make sure that they're in the Christmas spirit. So we do little things with them and their friends, but it's not like a big dinner type of thing. So I won't write that anywhere on here. But you can see on the gift list there, I'm writing the name, and I typically write first name and then what I think I want to buy them and a price threshold. And then for the holiday parties, like I said, I'm just writing the date, and then I'll write the party out beside it. I have a few more dates that I know I'm going to have, but I can't remember all of them right now. And then for the traditions, I'm just going to mark them off as we do them. So those are just bullet points. And for the dinner menu, I'm going to write who is bringing what. And that's the whole spread, y'all. Let me know if you like this video by clicking the like button below, and I hope you choose to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.